Cherokee, rock and roll.
Pero bueno, muñequitos, estamos de regreso en esta noche contentos, gustosos. 1 de junio con pura bebida energetizante. No estamos vendiendo alcohol, pura bebida energetizante. Si les preguntan, pues es cebada de maíz, producto baboso de maguey, cóctel azul. Vámonos, muñequitos, con toda la pandilla que nos acompaña. Pásasela de poca madre hoy. Esta es la Fuerza Armada Rock y México una vez más para ti. En Pandillas y los Canos, Sonera.
This is a tale I hope you like and understand about an unsung hero,
El Hombre Malboro.
a romance. He got his hand from a guy from TV. Was so long ago, maybe you never did to see. He walked with a swagger, confident in his stride. If he made you a promise, take it.
Échale, mijo, échale.
No one has to show if it's a fable or fiction. But I'll tell you one thing, he even make a prediction. Dig into his past, you're gonna love this guy. The more you find out, the more you wanna try.
El amigo de Sonido Metrópolis Rock and Roll.
Said it must be real, no mystery here. How else could you?
Llegó Miguel Ángel Camacho.
About the Malboro Man.
Ganó el Pato.
Malboro Man.
La banda Puente Rojo el 15. Dulce Caramelo.
You're in a
El Chucho.
He'll always do what he can to help poor souls who need help the most. Doing all the stuff from coast to coast. I'm the Malboro Man, Mr. Malboro Man. Do all the dirty work, nobody else can. The story is told. He never bragged about the thing. We'll give a respect to the problems you will bring. With the heart in the right,
Moise.
he never backed down. Back against the wall, he get it just done. Deal with the troubles that come your way. What more can I tell you? What more can I say about the Malboro Man, Mr. Malboro Man?
Miguel Ángel Camacho y la gatita que le gusta.
With you,
Rock and roll.
he'll always do what he can to help poor souls who need help the most. Doing all the stuff from coast to coast. I'm the Malboro Man.
Parale Carrizosa.
Do all the dirty work. Nobody
Van Orbital.
else can.
Sí, señor.
Do you know how I know that the story is true? Well, I have a little shocking in store for you. Cause I've got all the information firsthand. Now you know how I know. Cause I'm the Malboro Man.
Échale, papi.
Yeah, I'm the Malboro Man. Mr. Malboro Man. If you're in a spot, I'll always do what I can to help poor souls who need help the most. Doing all the stuff from coast to coast. I'm the Malboro Man, Mr. Malboro Man. Do all the dirty work, nobody else can. About the Malboro Man, Mr. Malboro Man.
¿Cómo no rock and roll en esta noche?